Hey guys, so it's about 8:30 right now and I've been up for a little while, but I decided that I wanted to vlog today. I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along and show you my work day and what I'm doing, because today I have a little bit more planned than just sitting around my desk. So also I realized I kind of look bald. I just have my bangs pinned back. This is a real morning in my life, as you can see. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just get started with my day, and I'll bring you guys along and show you everything I'm doing. I think right now I'm going to clean off my desk so that I can start working. As you can see, our whole apartment is kind of messy right now, but I'm gonna at least get my desk straightened up so I can sit at a clear space. I have these two metal frames that were attached to the wall with command hooks, but they have both fallen. For some reason the command hooks are just not sticking. Guess I'm gonna have to use nails to hang them up, but this apartment was built a long time ago and for some reason nails don't go all the way in the wall, if you can see that. So it's just kind of hard to use nails to hang things up, but I guess that's the only option. The first thing I'm gonna do today is pack a few orders that I need to finish up before the weekend. So I just printed all of the packing slips, and don't worry, I'm covering the address, but I'll show you guys the process of packing my orders for my shop. I thought I would show you guys how I organize my stickers. So it's nothing fancy, it's just this cardboard box that I cut up. I made dividers, and that's how I store them. It's functional, at least. Also, yesterday I did a really quick calendar in my bullet journal just to plan out August, so I can show you guys that real quick. It's not super fancy, I just drew out a big calendar for the month. I haven't planned any more of August, but this weekend I think I'm gonna sit down and do a weekly spread for the upcoming week. I took a shower and I just finished lunch. So now I think I'm going to head out and go run my errands before it gets too crowded out, because it is a Friday. So the later I wait, the more traffic there's going to be. But I need to stop by the post office and then go to the thrift store and then possibly Target or TJ Maxx. We'll see. Sorry, I didn't vlog that much in there. It was just really crowded and I didn't feel like I could take out my camera without making people uncomfortable, so I didn't vlog that much, but I didn't find that much anyways. I went to the thrift store because Jaron wanted me to look for some little organizers or glass containers or just cool things to decorate his new office with, and he hates going to the thrift store, so I was gonna go and look for him, but they just didn't have much that he would like. I did find some stuff for our apartment, but he likes more modern things, so I think I'm going to go to Target or TJ Maxx and look for some more organizers for him. Hey guys, so I'm running really late. I need to go, that's why I haven't vlogged since I got home, but I'm gonna head out the door and I will update you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it's the next morning. Sorry I didn't vlog that much last night. I was just enjoying the evening with Jaron, so I didn't really take out my camera that much, but I figured I would continue the vlog to today just to add some more content for you guys and show you a little bit more of my daily life. So today's Saturday and I think we're gonna go to Jaron's office and I'm gonna help him organize it and set it up with all the new things that I got him yesterday. And I thought I would show you all the things that I got. So first, the things that I got at the thrift store. I found this architecture book, which I thought would be nice to decorate with. And Jaron loves architecture, so that's perfect. And then also for him, I got this wire basket for organizing papers. And then I got a few glass containers. This one I'll probably keep for our apartment. I found these really cool bowls and plates. I got this mini metal tray. This cool vintage candlestick, and then this mug that is such a cool design. Then I went to TJ Maxx, so I found a fake plant. This pot will either be for his office or for our apartment. And then these cool ceramic vases. I found some little candles that I thought would be a nice homey addition. Microfiber cloths for cleaning, and then this cool brass lamp. And then the things that I got from Target. First I got a French press and then another fake plant. I got this box to organize cords or things that need to be put away. A cool lamp, this brass cup for holding pens, another just pretty jar to decorate with, and then this map print. I got some really fun things in the mail this week, so I wanted to show you guys. First, I ordered some stickers from this shop, Creaction. I found her on Instagram and I just love all of her artwork, so I ordered some things. The next fun mail that I got is from a shop called Boho Indie Stream. So Brianna, who owns the shop, actually messaged me and wanted to send me some of her jewelry, and she wrote me a cute little note, and I've already opened it, but it came in a super cute package in this box with a little sprig of eucalyptus, and the jewelry is beautiful. First, I got this ring. It's just this moon and star design, and I just love how simple this is. Next, she sent these beautiful earrings. They are these moons with some crystals and other little pendants hanging down, and I just think they're absolutely gorgeous. Another pair of earrings she sent are some more moon designs. As you can tell, I love moon or lunar themed anything. These are just some really thin crescent moons with a little opal. And I actually wore these the other night when I went out with Jaren. And finally, this is gonna be hard to show right here, but I'll cut away to another clip of me wearing this, but it's a gorgeous necklace with a crystal pendant, and it's just sparkly and pretty, and I can't wait to wear this. I will also have her shop linked down below. You should definitely go check it out if you're interested in getting some new jewelry. Everything is just so beautiful. You will not be disappointed, and I'm so grateful that she sent me these beautiful pieces, and I hope that you go check out her shop.